Welcome to Snapchat's My AI feature, where you can customize your AI friend's appearance to match your preferences. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change your AI friend's gender in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the friendship profile of your My AI feature. You can do this by tapping on your profile icon at the top left corner of the Snapchat app and selecting the My AI option. Once you're in the friendship profile, look for the 3D Bitmoji header. It's the one with your AI friend's animated avatar. Tap on it to access the customization options. Now, you'll see the avatar customization page. This is where you can make changes to your AI friend's appearance. To change the gender, select the avatar option. Here, you can customize various aspects of your AI friend's appearance, such as facial characteristics, hairstyles, and clothing. To change the gender, make sure to focus on the facial features and hairstyles that align with your desired gender. Take your time to experiment and find the perfect look for your AI friend. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap the Save button to apply them. But wait, there's more. If you want to go a step further and change your AI friend's clothing, you can do that too. Simply use the Outfit option to explore different clothing options. Browse through the available outfits and select the one that best represents your AI friend's style. Remember, you can always change it later if you change your mind. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your AI friend's gender and customized their appearance on Snapchat. Have fun exploring different looks and expressing your unique style through your AI friend. Happy snapping!